Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, March 4, 2021. Today's video is about Coat of Arms of Vermont. This historical depiction of the coat of arms of Vermont was illustrated by American engraver Henry Mitchell in State Arms of the Union, published in 1876 by Louis Prang. The escutcheon depicts a green landscape, beyond which are high mountains and a yellowish sky. In the center grows a pine tree, between three erect yellow sheaves and a red cow. The state's official motto, Freedom and Unity, appears below the shield. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.